Hey everybody, my deepest apologies for the last video. I was informed by Vince, thanks Vince for pointing it out, that many of you don't know Adam. So I didn't introduce Adam in the last video, and Vince called me up. He's like, does anyone know Adam? No, sorry. Adam, I apologize. Everybody else watching the videos, I apologize as well. So in this video, part 2 of Big Turbo Bernice, you will see Adam, and I'll even throw in a couple extra credit pictures in hopes to redeem myself so that I don't get made fun of and be given a hard time. Anyway, let's get started with part 2. Here we go. Here we are, way too early. I don't know if you could see out there, but it is dark. Here with Adam, we finally got the turbo kit on his car. Disco Potato, Packard Low Boost, whatever you want to call it. So we are about to head out to Sandlake, Oregon. Hit the dunes, it's the closest one to us. So gonna do some tire swapping and we'll get on our way. Adam gets to do the honors of the tire swapping. I'll be lazy and video. Well, here we are. Tuning was going great. We had it rocking at 19 psi and 22 psi, and then we went to change the tune, and there we go. Got that. And when you try to restore it, error code 418. That's awesome. So we're gonna change the clutch weights, optimize it where it's stuck at 19 psi right now, and finish out the day, have a little bit of fun, head home. Before we headed out to the dunes, we wanted to do a little bit of a paddle swap. So here you can see Adam putting on the 31-inch STUs with a number 1 comp cut. What we had on it were, you can see above in the picture, were the 28-inch STUs with a number 2 cut but not comp cut. So the reason for switching was when we were out earlier testing on it and doing a little bit of tuning, we found that with the 28s, just had a little bit too much wheel spin, and we noticed when going over rollers and stuff, it kind of wanted to wheelie, but it couldn't quite do it. Just didn't have enough traction. So we knew ahead of time we may be lacking traction, so we had one of our good buddies, Randall, let us borrow his set of tires, which was awesome. Thank you, Randall. And you will see upcoming here that they worked out really good. Between the height difference of the tire and being comp cut, it had a lot more contact patch, and probably the paddles are a little bit better condition than the 28s as well. So those things led to much more traction. You can see rolling along here, anytime there's just a little bit of a roller, it wants to pull the front wheels up. With the 28s, absolutely would not do that. It just wanted to spin. So the one big difference with these paddles that we borrowed from Randall is with the more aggressive cut, and probably partially due to that pavement patch in between the paddles to keep it from wearing out the center sections when you're on the pavement, which we have a lot of here. That really made the car not want to slide sideways as much. The 28s are awesome. They'll let you fool around, drift around, slide a lot. The bigger 31s, absolutely they do not like it. Thank you all for watching. We had a super great trip this time. Unfortunately, the Dynojet programmer didn't work, but we at least got stuck on a tune where we could go out and thrash a little bit and get some video for you guys. I know you see my RZR here in the background. Adam painted the door panels. I will get to that. Let's see, one of these days I'll do a little bit of update with some new parts that I added and stuff. I thank Adam for doing the painting. Anyway, stick with us. We'll get to part 3. Let's see. We have a ton of parts to put on Adam's car. So that'll be part 3. We'll do a bunch of install stuff. Probably not how to, but just, you know, clips of installing a bunch. He has boxes and boxes of parts to add to it. So stay tuned. We'll get that out ASAP. As always, thank you guys so much for watching the videos, and feel free to critique and give me, you know, a hard time like Vince does about what I need to add. I like it. You know, the videos are not for me, they're for you guys, anyone that wants to follow along. So I am open to suggestions, and whatever would make it more interesting for you guys or helpful, let me know. Thanks everybody. Have a good one.
If you like our video, like and subscribe.